Love your work and always do something you are passionate about. Learn to accept challenges and face difficult situations head-on. Spend time with the people who help you grow and inspire you. Get away from people who discourage you and keep you from moving forward. To be successful in life, don't lead an easy life or aspire to an easy life. Leave your comfort zone. He who does not step out of his comfort zone is never successful. To be successful, you have to associate with successful people. It is not possible that you fly with the crow and become an eagle. No one is born perfect in the world. Everyone learns and improves themselves. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Don't invest all your property in one thing. If you are smart, you can earn money without working hard. Successful people never work alone. They hire a team and get the job done. Never try to know the depth of a river with both feet. Never trust only one income. You are getting the same results because you are doing the same thing over and again. Tell me about your teacher, and I will tell you about your future. What wise men do in the beginning, fools do in the end. If you buy things you don't need, you'll have to sell them back to buy the things you need. A difficult task is dangerous when it is considered easy. Forecasting rain is not a big deal, but preparing a boat for it is important. I knew from childhood that I was going to be rich, but I never let myself doubt it. If you need a haircut, never ask the barber whether you should get a haircut or not. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll have to work until you die. Price is what you pay, and value is what you get. Delaying a task makes the task harder. If a person is sitting in a shady place today, it is because someone planted a tree there long ago.